Good morning, everyone. Today is Thanksgiving. Alright, I'm going to start off my day with some skincare. So I'm going to use this Function and Beauty Cleanser, my favorite for wintertime, the Laneige Cream Skin, the Good Skin Days Seize the Day Serum, my favorite eye cream by SkinCeuticals, this serum by Allies of Skin, and I guess for moisturizer, since it's wintertime, I love to use the Rich Cream. So this is my favorite kettle because it makes pretty noises. This is my favorite mug for obvious reasons. This here is my favorite coffee, and it's instant coffee. And trust me, I'm a coffee snob. This is so good. It's really popular in Europe. And ooh, I'm running pretty low. You want some coffee? Gross, but it's gonna be really good in the gravy. So I like using frozen green beans just because I personally think it just tastes better. Dump the green beans in cold water to blanch them so they don't overcook. So a favorite new kitchen tool that I'm really liking is this measurement scale. And it's kind of nice because I don't have to use like measuring cups or anything anymore. It's super precise. So I'm gonna clear this out, zero it. It's good enough. Flour to thicken it. So now we're gonna add the green beans. Just let this simmer in, marinated in this amazing cream sauce. For the gizzards, I'm just going to add some salt, some black peppercorn. Nice mix. My mom loves gizzards. Nongum. Mommy approved. Keep eating the gizzard, we're not gonna have any. So I like to just cook the chicken for a bit. I'll cook it back later. What I'm gonna do now is fry the onions. This is for that delicious gravy. So I'm cooking also in soda. So what I like to do is add a little bit of white wine to get any of the bits on the bottom. So I overcooked the onions. They're actually slightly burnt because I was actually playing some games. I should have paid attention. So once that simmers down, what I'm going to do is remove the chicken and then start making the gravy. The chicken stock, pour this in. So I'm also going to mix in a little bit of beef stock too. When I say a little, a lot. So the secret recipe I like to add into my gravy is pho bouillon, which looks like this. And just add it in. Just add flour and you'll notice how it starts to get thicker and thicker the more flour you add. Baby, come here. Oh, say hi. Add some garlic. I'm going to transfer some of this mushroom mix into the gravy. And the rest goes into the stuffing. This is the gizzards, work in progress. So I have here the chopped up chicken, just pouring it into the stuffing. Oh, so we got some butter. And get ready for the stuffing, which I have from last year. I still saved it. The onions that I already sauteed. The beef stock. And the chicken stock. Some garlic. Stuffing, which is basically just breadcrumbs, and you just pour it in. And you just fluff it. That's what they say. I'm going to transfer the gizzards and the chicken bits. This is how you make stuffing. Totoro. What do you think, Tenchi? Tenchi approves. Oh, okay. Got some rosemary for the stuffing. So I'm gonna take the rosemary and kind of just saute them a bit to give it a nice aroma. The whole house is going to smell like a Christmas tree. Just gonna add some rosemary on top, so when it's baking, it just has this beautiful aroma. Yes! Oh, you're walking down the stairs! Tension, come on.
You should have seen the way that you bloomed. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. You're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know.
Start your computations.
There we go. So I'm gonna season the potatoes. Throw in a little bit of the chicken broth. And then of course some rosemary and thyme. We have here our stuffing, green bean casserole, hot and ready to go.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe. And this is the Disney turkey leg special. Always the Pac-Man slice. Good luck.